Today I'm going to show you the latest version of the Power Tools PT Site. PT Site contains an integrated daily log, timesheet entry, equipment entry, and photo management. The app connects to the Power Tools Enterprise program. By integrating apps to the Enterprise programs, you only need to enter data one time. Now to show you how the app operates. First, you select your job. I've got Trader Coops Oviedo selected here. Then you pick which day. I have 8/23 selected, but that can be adjusted. Now we're going to go into the General tab. Here we have 4 user-defined note categories. In this example we have Quality Control, Schedule Look Ahead, General Items, and Miscellaneous. Next we're going to go into Activities. At the top we have a list of subcontractors that are part of the job address book for this job. In this section you can send a quick, easy email or view the scope of work that was defined in the subcontract agreement. You pick the sub, then I'm going to pick a quantity. I can add workers by clicking on the plus or minus buttons to easily put those numbers in. I can also put the hours and minutes they worked and what activity. Next we're going into Employee Time. Employee Time integrates with the Power Tools payroll system. Time is entered in the app and then goes through approval process before going to live payroll. First you pick an employee, then a cost code. So it's a drop down, so any labor codes assigned in the office. You enter in notes. You put in their hours and hit submit. Within this we also have the ability to clock in and clock out. That way when they get to the job site they can clock in, it starts recording time. When you switch jobs or you switch cost codes, it'll automatically sign them out. Now we also have within that functionality, we have the ability to use GPS so you can make sure they're on the job site when the time was entered. Next we're going to go to Equipment Time. The equipment listed is job specific and communicates with the Power Tools equipment program. This allows the office and the apps to know where equipment is located. Equipment time entry is similar to timesheet entry. So I pick a piece of equipment. I've got an equipment rental code that'll go back to the office. I've got my notes. I can enter in their hours and submit. I also have a metered hours over here where I can enter those in periodically that will tie back into maintenance schedules in the equipment program. Another option within equipment is the QR scan. With that, when I can scan the piece of equipment that has a QR code assigned to it and it'll automatically select it, so I'm not going through my list up there to pick it. Next we're going into material deliveries. This is a great feature for accounting and purchasing to know what has been delivered to the job site. You simply enter the vendor, who ordered it, and enter a description and notes. We also have a weather function. This allows the field to capture the weather several times in a day if needed, and it also gives you accurate measurements. Within this I can have my weather that I've selected, or I can actually choose a photo or take a photo if I want to. So an example of that is I might do a weather gauge photo. If there was flooding on the job site, I might want to take a photo to show proof of what happened with the weather that day. I'm going to skip down to the Project Files option. This option is linked to the Power Tools JCPM drawing log. The app user can easily get to the plans without having to go to the website or other apps to see the information. So if I click on that, it's taking me here. I can see the different amendments and I've got some test information out here. Last but probably our most popular feature is job photos. You can take pictures, select pictures already taken, or view the photos already attached to the job. We also have the ability to synchronize photos taken between your phone and iPad. So you might be working on the job site with your phone, take pictures, come back to your iPad to put more things in. Those photos are going to be available. By utilizing the photos in the app, all your photos will flow back to the office in the JCPM Photos section. This eliminates emails or connecting and uploading photos each day. A cool feature being utilized with this is to take the photos back in the office and utilize JCPM status report option. The status report is a weekly or monthly report sent to the owner with progress notes, items of concern, and selected progress photos generated from the app. So real quick to show you how these work, I select my photo option. I can select a photo that already exists out here. That, submit. Okay, it's a success. I come back here. All right, so that has now been saved to this job and this day. When the daily log is complete for the day, you can mark it done, or you can use the View Daily Log button to view, email, and/or print the daily log for the day. So up here I've got my toggle. I just slide that over and you can see it marks that day complete. So I know when I open it up that if I'm doing multiple projects, I'll be able to tell right there. I can also go down to the View Daily Log button. So you can see this is pulling up a print for 8/23. All my notes, we really didn't enter any notes, but they'll be there. Here's my activities, the labor, equipment, and the photo that was attached. So from here, I can email it or print. Close that one. On the top right is our new tool tracker. That is going to be released this fall and will be available in a different video coming up. Thanks for your time, and feel free to call or email if you would like to find out more about Power Tools. We can be reached at 407-834-0700 or at support@thepowertools.com. Thank you.